In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with ClickUp, a powerful combination that can really enhance your productivity and workflow management. Whether you're new to ClickUp or already a seasoned user wanting to leverage AI within this platform, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your ClickUp account. If you're not already familiar with ClickUp, it's a versatile project management tool that can streamline your tasks and projects in one hub. Once logged in, you're ready to move to the next step. Now, head over to your workspace. In this case, we'll be navigating to the list within Project 1, specifically in Test's workspace. Accessing the correct workspace is crucial, since you'll want all the AI insights to apply directly to the tasks that matter most to you. After you've reached your desired workspace, you'll see an option labeled AI either in the menu bar or as part of your workspace tools. Click on this. This feature allows ClickUp to attempt to integrate AI functionalities directly into your task management process, giving you a smarter way to handle information and tasks. Once you've accessed these AI tools, you'll be presented with the option for the ClickUp Brain. Click on it. This feature is specially designed to manage the AI integrations within ClickUp, enabling you to utilize advanced AI models for better task management and insights. At this point, you will have access to select GPT models. These models are essentially different configurations of AI capabilities you can choose from, each offering a unique set of features and understanding levels depending on your needs. This is where ChatGPT comes into play, as it's a type of model that can perform highly advanced language tasks. So, go ahead and select one that suits your project's needs best. Last but not least, you have the option to type in the highlight. This means that you can input certain topics, tasks, or keywords you want the AI to focus on. Utilizing the highlight feature allows the AI to drill down the data into what's most important to you, uncover significant insights, and prioritize tasks efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily connect ChatGPT with ClickUp, optimizing your workflow with cutting-edge AI technology. Remember, like many integrations, getting the most out of ChatGPT within ClickUp might require a bit of experimentation with different models and inputs. But with a little practice, you'll find it becomes a valuable tool in enhancing your productivity. Hopefully, this guide helps you unlock the robust capabilities of combining AI with your task management practices. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes your project management processes smoother and more efficient.